What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here on our daily time frame, and as we can see, over the past, few weeks now, ever since basically the start of November, probably like almost 3 weeks now, we've been in a bit of a downtrend, haven't we? You can see quite clearly we've got something like this going on. We're in a pretty clear downtrend, coming back to retest some key support, because we have been, having a bit of a rollover for Bitcoin. Obviously Bitcoin dragging Polygon down for the most part, which is why we've been having these rollovers. We did see Polygon get all the way up to that local high of around 223, which is really good. We actually got to that actual final swing high before the all-time high that we saw back all the way back here and around, the end of May there. Since then we were coiling inside of a huge pennant like this, and we did get the breakout recently, and we've come down and actually back tested the pennant now, along with the 618 of the Fibonacci pull that we pulled from that all-time high down to basically that low that we saw in July, down at around 63 cents. Currently trading at around 160 for Polygon. Just been chopping it sideways for a long time, haven't we? We coiled into that apex. We basically got a nice little breakout back test. We run all the way up to that local high, and then after that, because of Bitcoin, we've obviously been rolling over since then, losing a little bit of support on the way. We've kind of just been chunking down in a little downtrend like this. You can see obviously the channel that we've kind of outlined here showcases the kind of downtrend that we have been in since then. You can see just rolling over here, looking for a decent bit of support. We tried to find a bit of support here in and around this, this 170 area, which we did say would be a decent bit of support, but because of Bitcoin rolling over again, we've actually had a nice little additional, overextension to the downside for Polygon here. We've come down and we've actually got a decent bounce in and around the 618 as support, which is really good to see, because obviously the 618 being a very key level in terms of the Fibonacci for support. This is an area you would like to see retested and get that decent bounce to the upside, as we said in yesterday's video. And obviously you can see here we pretty much retested the previous resistance of the pennant as support as well, which is obviously excellent to see, because you want to see your support, your previous resistance flipped into support, so you can then basically march on and move to the upside even more. You can see quite clearly as well that we have made our nice little uptrend. You got a higher low, higher high. We're coming down, we're trying to make that higher low, and then the next higher high will probably see us coming up towards that all-time high once we get the bounce at 270. So on the hourly time frame then, we can get a bit more of an idea about what's been going on. Obviously you can see our channel here, which has been outlined. We've been trading downwards. We come down and it looks as though we got some really, this is a massive bullish divergence here, isn't it? You can see quite clearly price action coming down, RSI coming up, and we did actually get that pickup off the bottom here, coming back into a little bit of a range, looking something like this, chopping it sideways. We've come back to fair value on the hourly time frame here, and it looks as though we are just kind of, chunking it sideways at the minute, basically waiting to see what Bitcoin's going to do, most likely, as Polygon has been highly correlated to Bitcoin recently, along with VeChain, which we cover a lot as well. And we're basically waiting to see if we can get a little bit of a breakout of this trend that we've been downtrending in. You can see here quite clearly we've been trading downwards like this, lots of touch points on the top and the bottom, and we're basically looking for a little bit of a breakout of this level here, coming up towards that 170 level, and then a back test followed by continuation to see ourselves really breaking out of this downtrend that we have been in. But you would think, considering that we're coming down towards these key levels of support now, that we're probably going to see that bounce pretty soon. Obviously if Bitcoin rolls over, we will see Polygon basically roll over as well, because it is highly correlated to Bitcoin right now, and because it is one of those, we'd say top 20 projects that are basically all very highly correlated to Bitcoin. Polygon, obviously VeChain, we've got like Chainlink, Polkadot, Cardano, all Ethereum, all these projects are quite heavily correlated to Bitcoin because they are those larger caps. And you can see here, obviously, Polygon, it's doing all right, but it is getting quite oversold. We're probably expecting that bounce fairly soon, as we said. So we'll do short-term price predictions then. If we do see ourselves roll over here, we want to see kind of a double bottom back test probably of this area here at the 618, coming down to around that 150-ish area and getting that bounce. That would be a good psychological support as well to get the bounce on. And overall, we do think Polygon, obviously top quality projects, probably going to see a really, really nice amount of adoption as things continue throughout the bull run and into the next few years. It's probably going to see a lot more projects being built on it and potentially going up towards those price targets we're looking for. Obviously, if we get the bounce, we want to see ourselves reconquering this 180 swing high here, and then also getting up towards that 0.78 extension at around $2. Very key levels to recapture, and then obviously targeting the all-time high. And beyond that, we do think that $5 to $10 area, very, very likely, and we do have that 227 extension at around $17 as well. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.